Hello, everyone. Welcome to the BBC Ghana Intelligence Unit. Now, the BBC Ghana Intelligence Unit is a special force of the BBC Ghana page where we delve into the lives of celebrities and get to understand the groundwork. We do all the research and networking just to understand why certain things are happening to them. For today's episode, we're going to be talking about Portia Asare Boateng. She's a Kumawood actress who has been trending for the past few days. Now, this is a woman who is very beautiful, well endowed, but for some reason, she's been divorced twice and she's still hoping to get married for the third time. This has caused us to, decide to delve a little deeper into her life just to understand what is going on. Now, Portia married her first husband, who is a man of God, Pastor John Wilberforce, in 2013. The simple yet colorful wedding took place on Saturday, December 21st, 2013, at the International Central Gospel Church in Tema. Now, the pastor, or Portia's ex husband, is a pastor at the Grace Baptist Church and he's also a full time lecturer in one of the tertiary institutions. The marriage ended in a sad divorce, and this was before she became popular in 2019, or she came and yeah, she took a little break from the public and then came back in 2019. Then she decided to give marriage a second go. In July 2021, Portia Asare got married to Raymond Kweku Mafo. He is the CEO of RKM Group of Companies. This marriage also was a traditional wedding. It was very simple yet very, very colorful. However, it also ended in divorce after just 3 years. Now, Portia's reasons for getting divorced from these men was that the first one, she said she was just unhappy. She was not happy in her marriage. She was sad. She was depressed. And these were the reasons she gave for getting divorced from her pastor husband. Now, her second marriage to Mr. Raymond Kwekumavu, she claimed that he cheated on her and she couldn't stand a man who would cheat on her. So she decided to let go of that one. But in recent interviews, she has made it clear that she's ready to marry as many times as marriage comes to her. So it just means that regardless of anything or all the past experiences she has had with marriages, she's still ready to give it a go. A little background from the BBC Intelligence Unit, we found out that Portia is quick tempered. Now, as a man married to a quick tempered woman, it can be quite challenging to deal with them when they are when the little things, just sparks them up. For instance, you put a bottle of water in the opposite side of the fridge without closing it is going to get her so mad that she might say some hurtful things to you. Now, no man wants to be married to such a woman who gets pissed off at the slightest provocation. Her second thing that really, pushed the men away was her ego. Yeah, I know that is surprising, but women also have egos because she has this, she's famous and she has this beautiful figure. She kept telling her husbands that, look, if you keep messing up, I am going to divorce you and I'm going to find another man. So I guess these are some of the reasons why we have found out that she got divorced. So she might be saying that, oh, she wasn't happy in her marriage, blah blah blah, and all that. But we have found out that her rude attitude and her quick temper when she's angry are the reasons the men keep going. So this time around, he's ready to give it a try for the third time. Will she succeed? And has she also worked on herself to make sure that this time around, when she goes into the marriage, it lasts for long? Because marriage is not like going to the market to buy tomatoes. You have to actually put in the work. Well, that is all for now. We're going to bring you more news. Just stay tuned to the BBC Ghana. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the button and like, and then we will bring you more juicy stuff soon.